In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp app for Windows and Mac. By the end, you'll have the desktop app installed and ready to go, so you can work faster and stay focused without juggling a bunch of browser tabs. Before we start, here's why the desktop app is worth it. Compared to running ClickUp in a browser, the desktop version is more stable and less prone to lag when you've got a lot going on. It includes a handy global shortcut so you can create tasks or search your workspace from almost anywhere on your computer. You'll also get more reliable notification badges and alerts thanks to direct integration with both Windows and Mac OS. And if you're traveling or working without internet, the app's offline mode lets you capture ideas and view tasks so nothing gets lost. First, log into ClickUp. Take a moment to enter your email and password carefully. Tiny typos are a common reason sign-ins fail. If you run into trouble, check for stray spaces or the caps lock key, then try again. Once you're in, head to the ClickUp download page. This is the official, up-to-date source for the desktop app. On Windows, click the Download for Windows button. Your browser will save an installer file. Look for something like ClickUp setup.exe in your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, double-click the file to open it. Follow the installation prompts on screen. They're straightforward, and the installer will guide you through the setup. During this process, you may see a standard system permission prompt. Approve it to continue. When the installation completes, the app will launch automatically, and it will also appear in your Start menu for easy access next time. If you're on a Mac, the process is very similar. You'll use the same ClickUp download page and follow the on-screen instructions tailored for Mac OS. The end result is the same: a dedicated desktop app with better performance, dependable notifications, and a solid offline experience. Once the app opens, sign in with the same ClickUp account you used earlier. From here, you can immediately take advantage of the desktop benefits. Keep an eye out for the global shortcut and notification settings inside the app. And remember that you can continue working even if your connection drops. Your changes will sync when you're back online. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.